something sweet. B is for blender, whirling loud. Mixing smoothies makes us proud. C is for cup, for juice or tea. Sip it slowly, 1, 2, 3. D is for dish, shiny and round. We wash it clean without a sound. In the kitchen, we learn and play with tools and fun, the ABC way. E is for egg, white and yellow. Crack it open, sizzle mellow. F is for fork, to poke and eat. Useful when we have a treat. G is for grater, shred that cheese. Sprinkle toppings, yes please. H is for hobbit, makes food hot. Cooking meals inside a pot. In the kitchen, we learn and play with tools and fun, the ABC way. I is for ice, cold and clear. In a drink, we give a cheer. J is for jug with juice so bright. Pour it slowly, pure delight. K is for knife, sharp and slim. Used by grown-ups, not for him. L is for ladle, scoop some stew. Serve it warm for me and you. In the kitchen, we learn and play with tools and fun, the ABC way. M is for mixer, beat the dough. Cookies rise up nice and slow. N is for napkin, clean your face. Wipe up crumbs, keep your place. O is for oven, baking time. Smells like muffins, so divine. P is for pan, where pancakes flip. Toss them gently, what a trip. In the kitchen, we learn and play with tools and fun, the ABC way. Q is for quiche, cheesy and round. Golden brown and oven bound. R is for rolling pin, roll the dough. Make it flat, now off we go. S is for spoon, to stir and taste. Don't let that soup go to waste. T is for toaster, pop goes the bread. Butter it up, time to be fed. In the kitchen, we learn and play with tools and fun, the ABC way. U is for utensils in a row. All the tools a chef should know. V is for veggies, fresh and bright. Chop them up for dinner tonight. W is for whisk, spin and spin. Whip that cream, let's begin. X is for extra spice, a dash or two. Add some flavor to the stew. Y is for yogurt, creamy delight. Eat it morning, noon or night. Z is for zester, zinny and fun. Citrus peel for everyone. In the kitchen,